Hello everyone, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video to the initial setup on the Poco F3 Gt and what are the pre-install applications we do get in this Poco F3 Gt. Along with that, we'll try to see even what is the RAM management availability in this phone and what is the internal storage availability in this phone out of the box. So this will be kind of a 3-in-1 video. I'll try to plan in one single video, friends. Instead of making 3 different videos, I thought of making in one video, so which might be useful for a lot of other users who are actually looking for this kind of solution. Let me try to quickly select everything and let me go and skip this step because I don't have the SIM card right now. Let me just skip it and let's try to skip and more accept. And right now the battery percentage is got 49%. That should be kind of okay for me to do a couple of tests. So here, so let me try to disable some of the ads which I don't want. Let me try to disable some of the things. So location. Yes, so everything is disabled, so I don't want everything. So complete setup is done, as you can see, friends. Finally the Poco F3 Gt. So next thing is to check what is the MIUI version and what is the internal storage, how much it's available, and what is the RAM availability, and what are the pre-install applications. So in this way we'll be able to see all the details in this Poco F3 Gt. And finally, friends, I do know this monster is waiting to compare with this phone, this iQOO 7 device, and even a lot of other phones like Realme X1 Max also still waiting here. So finally the phone has been completely booted up, as you can see. So now let me try to show you first thing about the MIUI, what is the version it's running. So MIUI version is of 12.5.2 version, as you can see, that's clearly. And the security update is of June. So June security update, not bad at all. So that's kind of good. And let me just show you storage availability. So right now the storage availability is of 17.1 GB is available out of 128 GB. As you can see, friends, that's kind of thing. And let me try to click on the storage and let's see what are the things which are consuming how much amount of data. So out of the box, system will be using 12 GB and apps and data will be using 1.14 GB, and these are applications which are consuming the data, and others include others and images. Yes. Now let me show you exactly what are the pre-install applications we can actually find any kind of bloatware. So I think Amazon application 1 and Facebook is there, and Netflix is also there. And apart from that, I did not see any kind of other applications installed in this phone at this moment. So only few applications, and those applications even you can definitely uninstall them. Let's see what is the RAM availability in this phone. Let me try to see that. And I did order the 8 GB RAM variant. So out of the 8 GB out of the box, 5.6 GB is available out of 8 GB. As you can see, friends, absolutely. So 5.6 GB is available out of the box. Since some of the RAM is there, and out of 128 GB, 17 GB is already used in this phone. 17 GB, as you can see, friends, clearly. So thank you for watching this video, friends. This is a quick video which I'm just demonstrating you initial setup and showing you the RAM availability. In case if some other users that are experiencing any kind of different availability, then they can definitely comment, and this video might be helpful for them as well. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.